I will show you how you can simulate your scan body temperature on your Infinix Hot 20. So at the start we have to download this app and install it. After that we have to launch it, of course. Skip this window and wait a second to close that. Now just go to the simulation section, and to start the scanning just hold your finger here. Now close that again. And how you can see, this is my result. If you want to save it, just click here and configure it by the save. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.